Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English second paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, article exercise 27 to 50. So let's see our today's class 6, subject English second paper, topic article exercise 27 to 50, term annual, lecture 17, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number, messenger ID, and today's date. So let's come to our class today. So annual term, lecture 17, use articles where necessary, put a cross mark where an article is not needed. So you can see 27, the Taj Mahal is dash beauty. So we can say the Taj Mahal is a beauty because B is consonant, that's why we're using a. 28, I went out for a walk. Why a? Because W is consonant here. 29, gold is dash precious metal. So again, P is consonant, we will use a. Gold is a precious metal. Number 30, I caught him by dash hand. Here, hand is definite, specified. So that's why we have to use the. I caught him by the hand. 31, God helps dash weak. Here, the weak is specified, right? Indefinite. Okay, definite here. So God helps dash weak. Here we have to give the. So God helps the weak. The weak means all the weak peoples in the world. 32. The 31st December is dash end of year. So the 31st December is the end, because 31st December is definitely specified here, is the end of, you can give here a, of a year, you can also give here the also. Okay, the 31st December is the end of a year. 33, he is dash SSC candidate. So if we find any abbreviation word, abbreviation, and if the first letter of abbreviation starts with vowel, we will have to use an, and if the abbreviation word doesn't start with the vowel, we have to use a. So S, if we pronounce S, A comes first, vowel comes first, that's why we have to use an. He is an SSC candidate. Dash people of this village are poor. So the people here are definite here, specified. So the people of this village are poor. Okay, if we find of in a sentence, before of you will find a word, and before that and the will be used all the time. 35, we respect dash honest. You know, if a word starts with ace, and if this ace is pronounced, we have to use a or a, and if this ace is not pronounced, we have to use an. So we respect dash honest. We say honest. Ace is not pronounced here. That's why we are using an. We have to use an. Moon is dash honest girl. So we have to use again an, because we said this is honest, not honest. Mr. Zaman dash unpopular man. So you here is vowel, we have to use an. Mr. Zaman is an unpopular man. This is dash book I gave you. So this is the book. This is the book I gave you. So here book is specified definite. That's why we are putting the here. Nazrul is dash Shelley of Bangladesh. So Nazrul is comparing with the Shelley, the English poet. There should be Shelley here. So in this case we have to use the here, because we are comparing with Shelley to Nazrul, And again, see, we can find the dash of here, what here, and we will have to put here the. Nozul is the Shelley of Bangladesh. 40. Mr. Rahman is dash BA. Look, this is an abbreviation word, and the first letter of the abbreviation is pronounced with B. So we find consonant here, we have to use A. Mr. Rahman is a BA, not N, because we are pronouncing the first letter of this word with consonant. He seems to be dash idiot. So I is vowel, we have to use N. Dash elephant is a large animal. So the elephant is specified here. The elephant is a large animal. Dash Hindus read the Ramayana. So before nation, we have to use the Hindus read. Ramayana is a book of the Hindus, the holy book of the Hindus. That's why we have to use before that book also the Hindus read the Ramayana. I like to visit mountain. I like to visit dash mountain. So I like to visit a mountain, because which mountain we don't know. Indefinite here, so you have to use indefinite article. He is dash DC, D. So here D, we are pronouncing D, consonant comes, that's why we have to use A. Okay. Number 46, a needle is dash useful thing. So if we find U in a word, we pronounce like U, useful, unique, university, European. So in this case, if we find U, in this case we have to use A before the pronouncing. If you pronounce like U, before that word we have to use not N, we have to use A here. Okay. So useful before we have putting A. Though the word starts with a vowel, because this is pronounced like U. 47. My father is dash PhD. So P, if you pronounce P, what comes first? E comes first. P, the he is an P first. P comes first. So P comes first. Consonant comes first. We have to use R here. My father is a PhD. He is dash unwise man. U here is vowel. We have to use N. And U is not pronouncing like U. U is pronouncing like unwise, un. That's why we are using N here. 49. He is dash captain of our class. So he is specified here. And we find of here. We have to use the here. He is the captain of our class. Find of before of there is a word, and before that we have to use the always. And the is captain. He is specified definite here. 50. Dash pen is mightier than dash sword. This is a proverb. In this proverb we have to use the pen. Pen is specified indefinite definite here. The pen is mightier than the sword. Sword also is here definite. Okay, so my dear student, this is our class today. Thanks my dear, thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. About parents, stay safe, stay home. See you again till then. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.